For many years, my white Lady Dior was one of the light colored bags in my archive. But sadly, now that she's away being restored and she won't be coming back white, I realized something. I don't actually own a white or cream everyday bag anymore. So today, I wanted to share the bag that is currently filling that space in my collection. This is my Jimmy Choo Cream Cinch in medium size. It isn't replacing my Lady Dior, it is simply stepping into a role while my Lady Dior begins its next chapter. I didn't buy this bag to replace my Lady Dior forever. The Lady Dior has its own place in my archive, her own history, her own story. While she's away, I wanted something light, practical, elegant, and easy to reach for. This cream Jimmy Choo felt like the right balance between everyday use and evening elegance. The cinch is an evolution of Jimmy Choo's iconic bonbon silhouette, transforming the traditional bucket into a softer, elongated shape. What immediately stood out to me was that although it has a relaxed, slouchy silhouette, it still holds itself beautifully. In fact, it passed what I like to call my table test. It stands on its own, it doesn't collapse, and for me, that always is a sign of thoughtful construction. Although it isn't what I would call a traditional evening bag, I think it would beautifully, stand as an everyday evening bag that can easily transition into dinner or an evening outing. Next is first impressions. The very first thing I noticed was the structure. A bag that stands confidently without constantly falling over immediately catches my attention. To me, that makes it more practical and more refined. The cream color is soft and elegant without feeling too formal. It fills the light colored space my Lady Dior has temporarily left behind, while still having a personality entirely of its own. Living with the bag. At the moment, I'm still getting to know it. I want to see how often I naturally reach for it, how it works with my wardrobe, how comfortable it is to carry because you don't really know a handbag by looking at it. You don't even know it after styling it. You know it after living with it. That is when you discover whether it's truly belong in your archive. Could this become a Jimmy Choo classic? People sometimes ask me how I choose my bags. The truth is, I don't buy bags because they are already considered classics. In fact, I choose the bags the same way I choose many of the other pieces in my archive before they become widely recognized, before everyone started talking about them, and before they end classic status. I'm not trying to predict the future. I'm looking for the quality that has allowed other classics to stand the test of time. Whether this bag becomes one as well, only time will tell. For me, the Cinch has many of those qualities. A timeless silhouette, a practical size, beautiful leather, versatility, a color that would work season after season, and a design that doesn't rely on trend to feel relevant. I also appreciate that it stands beautifully on its own. Small details like that matters to me. Jimmy Choo is rightly celebrated for its shoes, but I genuinely believe some of its handbags deserve far more attention than they receive. I wouldn't compare this directly with my Lady Dior because they serve different purposes. The Lady Dior is structured, iconic, instantly recognizable, and stands proudly on its own signature feet. The Jimmy Choo Cinch feels softer, more relaxed, and unlike the Lady Dior, it doesn't have feet at the base. This is why I always say luxury isn't simple, and it's not simply about buying more. It's about understanding what you actually need, appreciating what you already own. My luxury philosophy, as always. This is why I always say luxury isn't simply about buying more. It's about understanding what you actually need, appreciating what you already own, and knowing the role each piece plays within your collection. I didn't buy this Jimmy Choo because it was the newest release. I didn't buy it because everyone else had one. I bought it because my collection had changed. Emphasis on changed. My white Lady Dior is away being restored. I no longer had a light colored everyday bag, so I filled that gap with something I felt practical, elegant, and true to my own style. That, to me, is thoughtful luxury ownership. I think I could go like so. I could hold it like this. I could crossbody it. Every bag in an archive has a purpose. Some carry memories, some becomes everyday companions, some are reserved for special occasions, and some quietly become favorites without you even noticing. I sense something classic here, but with a modern twist. Perhaps time will prove me right. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed thoughtful conversation about luxury, preservation, timeless design, and building a meaningful archive, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me here at the Luxury Archive. Remember, luxury isn't about buying more, it's about choosing well, caring deeply, and appreciating what you own. An archive isn't built in a day, it's built through thoughtful choices, careful preservation, and stories worth keeping. I'll see you in the next one.